This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions and having a muted asset ready. This prevents upload failures. Once done, open YouTube Studio and go straight to content. Click the target video and choose Editor to access tracks. Make sure your muted version meets format requirements, otherwise re-export at 128 kbps or higher. You will replace or remove the track in the next step. Don't pause here. The first actionable move is selecting Editor, and now you remove or replace the audio using YouTube Editor. Select Audio, then choose Remove Audio if you want permanent silence, or replace audio to upload your muted file. Once the file is uploaded, map it to the timeline and scrub through to confirm sync. Make adjustments, trim or split segments to keep only parts you want silent. Preview playback fully. This step avoids surprises later. If everything looks good, you'll save changes in the final step. Finish by saving edits and waiting for processing to complete. Don't close Studio mid-process. Once processed, verify playback on desktop and mobile to ensure audio is permanently gone. If you still hear sound, clear browser cache or recheck the uploaded muted file for residual audio. If a copyright claim prevents editing, replace the track with your muted rootload or dispute only if you own the content. One key troubleshooting tip: re-export the mute file at a different codec and rootload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.